Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at why might your stove's burners cook slower than expected. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. When it comes to your stove's burners, it's expected that the cooking times remain consistent. Sometimes that is just not the case. The first problem that you may be having is oversized cookware. Pans should not extend more than 1 inch behind the cooking area on a glass ceramic cooking surface. On most modern glass ceramic cooktops, a built-in temperature limiter will sense uneven heating when an oversized pan is used and lower the heat, resulting in slower cooking. A situation you may be having is the cookware that you are using does not have a flat bottom. Use a straight edge or a ruler across the bottom of the pan and hold it up towards the light to see if you see any light coming through. If you do find your burners are cooking slowly, you could try the bubble test. Put 1 inch of water into a pan and place it on the cooktop and turn the control to the high setting. Watch the bubble formation as the water heats up. If the bubbles are uniform across the pan, that means you have a good performance. Uneven bubbles indicate uneven slow cooking and hot spots. If this video helped you, like the video and subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.